Mabuhay! Welcome to the second safest city in Southeast Asia, a city filled with rich history, vibrant culture, and an amazing attractions. Join me as I take you on a journey through the best that Valenzuela has to offer. Tayo na, Valenzuela! Ang history ng Valenzuela City dates back to the pre-colonial period. Mula sa pagiging rural province nito hanggang sa ito ay maging vibrant city. It has played a huge part in the development of the northern Metro Manila. It was originally known as Polo, which has then been renamed Valenzuela. This is to give tribute to a Filipino physician and one of the members of the Katipunan, Dr. Pio Valenzuela. Welcome to San Diego de Alcala Church, the oldest church in the city. It was built by Father Juan Taranco and finished by Father Jose Valencia noong 1632. It is located in Barangay Polo in Valenzuela. The residents were forced into labor to complete the church back in 1623 when the town has gained its independence. Yung main structure niya po ay nasira ng mga bomba during the Japanese occupation in World War II. Yung entrance and belfry, which is yung bell tower, are the only parts of the 4th century-old edifice that remain today. Nakasalukuyan pong pinapreserve ng mga citizens of Polo, now Valenzuela City. So, punta naman po tayo sa last page po ng promotional video na ito, ang Val-Ace. Ito ay tinatawag din na tahanan ng mga estudyante. Ang pinakabagong library po na kung saan pwede ka pong mag-aral doon, pwede kang mag-review, which is exclusive para lang po sa mga estudyante. Meron din po siyang kwarto na kung saan pwede din po kayong magkaroon ng private discussion as a group or as a team. Meron din po siyang malakas na internet access. Sobrang laki po nang naitutulong ng Val-Ace para sa mga kabataan para magkaroon po sila ng place na kung saan comfortable silang gawin yung mga activities nila without any distractions. Para po sa akin, ito pong mga places na ito ay isa sa mga pinakamahalagang places dito sa Valenzuela, but that doesn't stop there. Marami pa pong mga pwedeng puntahan sa Valenzuela, and yeah, you can visit here if you want to experience that.